Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. This is the 15 minutes course I've been telling you guys. Just watch to the end and you see the winning of this particular game. Just watch to the end. See now I've picked two games, which is 6 odd, 6.61 odd for now. So keep on watching. You see how I pick the games, but this is not the strategy. That's the strategy I've already known. So I just come to pick the odds before they start. This is 15 minutes call. I'll be telling you guys there's a strategy for it. I already picked two now, so this is 6 odd. You will see how I pick 123 odds, which is 5 games, each one 2 odd. Just watch to the end, you will see the winning for the ending. Just watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch to the end. So I've already picked 3 now, it's 17 odd. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. I already picked 4 games now, it's now 49 odds. Keep on watching. Watch this video to the end, you see the winning, see the boom. Just watch to the end. This is Correct Bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post new video. Keep on watching. You will see the winning for the end. Don't skip. Keep on watching to the end. You will see all. So I'm looking for the last game now. Only one last game now add now. It will now be 123 odds. I've already picked 4 games, so it's now 49 odd. So looking for one. I've seen it already. Let me pick it. It's on top. But there's things I'm checking for that before I pick it. So I'm going to pick it now. This game is working perfectly, very, very well. It's now 123 odd and 5 games. So you see the winning. Just keep on watching. I wanted to check for another league, but I decided to end it here. Just watch the next winning. See it here. See the boom. Just see the boom. I will open it now. You see the boom inside. This is working perfectly. This is working perfectly. 15 minutes score on Zoom Soccer. Within 15 minutes, they will just score. There must be a goal before 15 minutes. You can see it, 123 odd. You can see it there, 123 odd. See all the games. All score before 15 minutes. And it boom. Imagine just 123 odd. You just take like 1K or 2K or 3K or even 5K or 10K. You'll be surprised the amount they are going to win, because all these 15 minutes could always come from big odds. Like the odds comes from 2.7 something odd, or is 2 odd, but all those things attached to the 2 odd is what make your money increase, is what make the odd increase. Like this one, 2.73 odd, that 73 is what make the odds to increase. The other one is 2.48. All these small numbers attached to it is what makes it to increase. So the phone number is 07036760527. That's all.